Welcome back everyone. So today we will be learning about lesson number 10.10.2. You can see it's written more multiplication patterns. So we will be looking about the patterns today. So let me quickly tell you what is about the pattern. So for example, if I'm making here, first I'm making triangle, then I'm making a square, again I'm making triangle, again I'm making a square. Okay, so next step again it will come, so it will come to the triangle and it will come to the square. So I'm repeating triangle is square, triangle is square, triangle is square. This is known as picture pattern. Okay, what is this picture pattern? Now I'm going to write pattern for the number. So for example, I'm using this pattern 1, then 1 2, then 1 2 3, then next should be 1 2 3 4. What should be the next? Yes, it should be 1 2 3 4 5. So this is pattern for the number. We have to learn pattern for the table. Okay, so this one we are going to learn. So this is known as multiplication table. You all know this one. You have done in term 1 and term 2 both. Now we are in term 3. How to do this one? How to check what is the pattern? Like this picture you can see that this is diagonal. Okay, so above this line and below this line you can see 0 0 is same. Okay, 1 again 0 0 is same. 4 if you are checking for the 4, 3 is same, 3 is same, 0 is same, 0 is same. It means below this line every number is same and above this line every number same. So this is the one pattern which is there in the multiplication table. Okay, I'm talking about the other pattern. So if you will see that there are two rows are colored. So if you'll multiply 0 times 2, if you'll multiply this one by 2, you are getting 0. Again, if you are multiplying this one by 2, 2 times 2, you are getting 4. 4 times 2, you are getting 8. 6 times 2, you are getting 12. It means when we are doubling multiply of 2, multiple of 2 or product of 2, we are getting multiples of 4. So this is another pattern. Okay, so like this we are going to learn that what will be pattern for the different multiplication multiplicative numbers. Okay, let's start here. Coming back to this question, it is telling what pattern do you see when multiplied by 1 in the multiplication fact table. So let's start. I know 1 time 1 will be 1, 1 time 2 will be 2, 1 time 3 will be 3, 1 time 4 will be 4, 1 time 5 will be 5. So you can see, as you know, this is known as factor and this is product. So you can see one factor is same as the product. So whenever you are multiplying by 1, you are getting product as one of the factors. So you'll be writing here product will be same as one of the factor. Okay, you can write like this or you can write some in other words, no issues. Different time you will see people are writing different words, but the meaning is same. Here it is telling in the 2's columns and 2's rows we are getting same number. Why are getting same number? We have done this one that 2 times 3 is equal to 3 times 2. What is this property? We have learned this one, commutative property. So we know that if we are changing the place of number in the multiplication, the answer will be same. So same thing is happening here in the 2's column. So this is the 2's column. Okay, and this is the 2 row. So here you can see 2 4 6 8 10 12. Here also 2 4 6 8 10 12. Everything is same. So why it is happening? It is happening because in the multiplication you can change the place of the numbers. This is known as commutative property. So you can write because of commutative property. Okay, so we have done question number 2 also. Now we have to check, use the multiplication fact table. What pattern do you notice with multiples of 6? So we can start. 6 times 1 6, 6 times 2 will be 12, 6 times 3 will be equal to 18, 6 times 4 will be equal to 24, 6 times 5 is 30. Let's start. I know this is even number, 12 is even number. I will check for the only ones place digit. Okay, 18 is even number, 24 is even, and 30 is also even. So we are checking when this one all the product is even. So you will see product is always even number. You can do like this. Okay, we have to check now multiples of 5. It is saying what is the pattern. So this is written here. You can check, one time it is coming 0, then 5, then 0, then 5, then 0, then 5, then 0. It means 0 5 0 5. It is repeating in one's place. Okay, when it is 0 it is even. So this is even number, this is even number, this is even, and this is even. And when the last digit is 5, it is odd number. So what pattern I am getting? I will be writing product is even or odd when one's place digit is 0, it is even. When one's place digit is 5, it is odd. Like this you will be writing. Okay, next is telling how do multiples of 10 related to the multiples of 5. So let's start here. I am writing 5 times 1 is equal to 5, 5 times 2 is equal to 10, 5 times 3 is equal to 15, 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Now I will write for the 10. 10 times 1 is equal to 10, 10 times 2 is equal to 20, same here, and 40. Let's start. If I will multiply this one by 2, I'm changing the color. I'm using the pencil now. So if I hope that you all can see, it's not visible. I'm changing again. I'm writing with the blue only. So 5 times 2, when you will do, you will get 10. Here 10 times 2, when you will do, you will get 20. 15 times 2, you will get 30. And 20 times 2, you will get 40. It means when I will double multiples of 5, I will get multiples of 10. So what is the relation? Double multiples of 5 to get multiples of 10. Again I am repeating, the words may be different when you will see different people are writing the answer, but the concept is same. It is telling, can I get 8 times 6 49? We know it is wrong. So we will prove this one with the help of doubling concept. How to do doubling concept? 8 times 6. We have learned this one. We can decompose 8 as 4 and 4. Now this 6 will come here and same will come here. I know 4 times 6 will be 24. Again 4 times 6 will be 24. 24 plus 24 will be 48. This is not 49 because double of 4 is not 49, so it is wrong. So you will be saying it is wrong. Okay, the last one here on this page, it is telling what pattern we will see in the multiple of 0. So whenever we are multiplying by 0, you can see 0 times 0 0, 1 times 0 0, 2 times 0 is 0. Every time I am getting product as 0. So you will be writing products will always be 0. So we have finished this page. Now I'm going to do the next page. It is asking circle the multiplication facts that will have an even product. So firstly I will multiply and then I will check this is even or odd. So 4 times 5 is 20, 3 times 6 is 18, this one will be 9, 8, 60, 56, 10 and 35. Okay, so now we have to check which one is even, which one is odd. For that one I'm writing here, you know, this one is even, this one is odd and this one is even. So even times odd will be even. This one, this is odd, this is even, and when you are multiplying odd and even, I am getting even. This one I am doing, this is odd, this is odd. When you are multiplying you are getting odd. And the last one I'm writing here, when it is even and even, I am getting here also even. I am not writing for the rest of thing. Okay, firstly it is telling circle the multiplication fact which is even. So this one is even, so you can circle this one. This is even, this is even, this is even, this is even and even. So all these are even. Then it is asking how you will check that the product will be even or odd. I have written here something. You can check it is coming even when this here one is even. Here also it is coming even, the product is even when even is one of the factor. Here both the factors are even, so product is even. But here product is odd because no factor is even. So it means I need at least one factor should be even. So same I will write at least one factor should be even. Question number 9, it is telling are the product of 6 facts double of the product of 2's fact? Means when I will multiply the table of 2, can I get the table of 6? Let's check. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is equal to 6, 2 times 4 will be equal to 8. When I will multiply this one by 2, let's check that what we are getting. We are multiplying by 2, so I am getting 4, I am getting 8, I am getting 12 and I am getting 16. All the numbers are not coming, only except for this one, no one is coming in the table of 6. So this is wrong. So you will say no, it is not double of 2's facts. Next one, it is telling 6 facts. It is double of 3's fact. Yes, when we will double 3, so 3 times 2 will get 6. Okay, 6 then 9 times 2 I will get 18, 18 times 2 I will get 36. So every time you are getting, so you will write always. It is saying 7 facts are even. Let's check that 7 facts are even or not. I know 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is equal to 14. So this is odd, this is even. So sometime only it is even, not every time. So I will write sometimes. The last, product of 4 is products of 4 facts are odd. So 4 facts are even. This here. So 0 is even, 4 is even, 8 is even, 12 even, 16 even, 20 even, 24 even, all even. So no one is odd. So I will write here never. And the last question, it is telling how can you explain this pattern. So 0, so I can get 0 times 0 is equal to 0. For 1 I can do 1 times 1 is equal to 1. For 4 I can say 2 times 2 is equal to 4. In the same way 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Okay, so what pattern you are getting? Here the factor is same. So you will say product is result of multiplication of number by itself. Means this number is multiplied by itself. This number is multiplied by itself. I hope you all have understood. Keep practicing for all these lessons. Keep revising. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Okay, thank you.